Okay, girls, heads up.
Sakura, so good to see you.
Do you want to be in aerospace engineering? Well, you'll decide after this program for sure.
We talked on the phone. So good to see you, Haley. Welcome, you excited?
Oh, that's awesome.
What part of Kentucky?
Lexington.
I want to welcome you to West Virginia University, welcome you to College of Statler and Natural Resources. The college is going to be your host here for the next 9 days.
My name is Dr. Andrew Rhodes. I'm a teacher and faculty member in the Aerospace Mechanical Materials and Aerospace Engineering Department. We want this thing to be more accessible, and I need your help.
I haven't seen it like what's that?
So, okay, now we can use a thermometer to start checking temperature, so you don't check temperature when you're breathing off the ground.
Oh, you're gonna be in nature with stuff, so you need to put that down. Yeah, put it down like really close to her. That's the easiest.
Okay.
So I'm confused. What was we supposed to write?
So we have to put down the service here.
We're doing kind of a human interpretation of a circuit where they are using breadboards or rugs looking like breadboards to look at prototyping circuits, where they've each been assigned a different component of a little circuit with an LED, and so then they have to stand on the rug, kind of like Twister, where they each have to step on the same circle to connect a circuit to make these little energy sticks we have light up when they have a complete circuit together.
So, you're the battery, you're the resistor, and you're the LED. You are the bridge between our battery and our LED. As the battery, you have a positive and a negative terminal.
All right, this end is really hot.
Miss Piggy.
I'm lighting it on fire.
Didn't someone tell you you're not supposed to play with matches?
No.
What about a name? What name do you have?
Nightmare.
What's the name?
He's guard.
And his name is Billy because met high school hillbillies. Billy,
Flat and Jenny, are those all good to go?
Give them some cheers, guys.
And look at him. It shows that if you're the meaner children, they won't be great faces.
Well, I didn't think mine was gonna make it because it had many buffers in the road because it kept going in circles multiple times, and we lost 2 legs, but we made it.
How do we think we can tell the difference? What is that? Without even knowing what those mean, because I didn't know what those meant at first either. Wait, that's really long.
So, when you rewrite them like this,
so these are the antennas that we need to measure the temperature and frequency and stuff. And so we soldered them through these 2 little holes right here. This soldering iron was really bad, so I had to go over there and do it. But it was fairly easy, yeah.
The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Our participants in the West Virginia SpaceTrek Program have worked tirelessly in the lab, building, engineering their CricketSat. All their hard work, all their passion led to this very moment right now. Welcome to Launch Day.
so sometimes there might be spots where we don't actually have any measurements because it's hard for us to read. So then you leave this blank and we would say lost signal.
1,584.
And the launch of number
Sorry, what's happening?
Our balloon is popped and is dropping as we speak.
As we speak. How do you know it's dropping?
Because the signal's 2016. That was a good year. We go!
And there it goes! Number 4, which is called the sounds like it's
You gotta tie it to your baby sack.
4,
It's 1502.
Is it still creaking?
Yeah, and when it's lower, it's louder, and it's pretty high and loud.
Okay, we are getting ready for our presentations. This is a chance for you to share your knowledge of what you learned this week. And what's really cool is each of you learned something different, or even if you learned the same topic, you all learned it in a different way.
Claire Drainer, yours truly, Ashley Waldron, and Brian Williams. Next slide. We came back to our ground station operations center.
We'll filter out anything it doesn't need, amplify the things that we do.
So, my name's Savannah Stevens, and I'm a rising ninth grader. And most of you know me pretty much, at least I think so.
I know I will always share this experience and leave here more excited about my future in aerospace.
This week I've stepped out of my comfort zone and did things I didn't think I could.
So we are the Slowest Rate of Women by Zoe Martin.
And Riley Daniels.
To make sure that the waves, like whenever it gets high in the atmosphere, make sure that the waves are either like slower.
Memorize them, but know what they are, so we're gonna turn it off. Okay. So, anybody want to tell me a question?
The y and the y equals mx plus b, and it also ties in with the 5 for 5 time rule.
You're probably wondering why the heck our name is the Breakfast Club.
You have made it such a wonderful experience to get to know you and to help you on your journey to high school and to college and hopefully engineering one day.
When we say goodbye tomorrow, it won't be goodbye forever. You have ways to reach us, and we are here for now and forever to be there for you. If there's anything we could do for you, please let us know.